Hello everyone, welcome to Chat Jamaican. I am in Clarendon, and Clarendon is one of the most beautiful parishes in Jamaica. And in Clarendon, I am in a community called Simon. Alright, stay tuned.
Come and chat with Tania.
Alright, so today I am with Andrew Nelson. And Andrew Nelson is a farmer who lives in the community of Simon. Andrew, tell me about yourself.
My name is Andrew Nelson, born and grew in Simon district. Go to Simon all-age school. Leave school, turn to the farming and furniture work.
So how long now since you have been farming?
Well, sometimes when you tell people that you're farming from your own, 5 people think it, look at it and say, from 5-year-old you're farming, but normally you wouldn't be farming from your 5, but you're born in a farming era,
Yes.
you will be a farmer.
Oh.
Yeah, you will be a farmer. From you're born in a farming era, you will be a farmer.
So what was the experience like then, being a farmer? Starting at 5-year-old, who taught you the craft? Who taught you how to do farming?
Well, tell you the truth, my mom, my stepdad, my father.
They were all farmers.
Yeah, my mom go to Coronation. So she
Where you
were
find Coronation? In Kingston?
in Kingston, so she were eagle. But a lot of people say, you know, when you tell them say you're farming from 5, some people take it a different level. But you know, you're growing out here, you plant something, and like you with your roots, you dig it out back and see if it's growing. You know, but you know, I like the farming, because farming is a thing like this. It feeds the nation.
Okay.
It feeds the nation.
Alright, so these are your pineapple.
Yeah.
You want to share how you go about planting these?
Oh, it's a hard work, but it is good. It is nice. It's hard, but it is nice. Well, you know, you get the pineapple sucker. You strip off the bottom of the pineapple sucker.
Yes.
You use a pick to dig the hole, to plant it. And you plant it in a row that you can monitor it when it's grow a lot and
Okay.
get huge. Yeah, so that's normally it. And
What are some other crops that you plant?
like cane and planting and a few bananas and a few cocoa. But you know that the dry that beat us very bad up in this side because the water industry is not that.
Oh, so most time you have to depend on the
rain.
rain.
Yeah, the rain.
The rainfall.
Yeah,
Okay.
the rainfall.
Alright. So probably you would want a black drum.
Yeah, I would love to get a black tank to get some of the rainfall water to keep the plants them watery.
Yeah, so the black, oh, okay.
That they would grow faster.
The black tank will assist.
Yeah. It's a nice thing, you know, to do the farming and you see your cultivation. You know. It's very nice to see it, you know.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. a very nice thing, you know.
So do you enjoy doing what you do?
Yes, I do. The greatest part about it, you know, is when you see the crop grow and you're reaping it and people enjoying it.
Yes.
Yeah. The thing is very enjoyable.
Okay.
Yeah, and I like to see people enjoying fruits.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, on a whole though, how the community members react to you farming?
And you know, say, it's a good thing because the community members, a lot of youth will come on, you know, sometime and give me a hand.
Yes.
When the field want to clean. Yeah, but you know, like the time, the season coming in now, so you know, rain falling, so all of them is in their field right now. So we're early in the morning, do a portion,
Okay.
and get back home before the sun gets hot. And the sun.
Yes.
Yeah. It's good still. Tell you the truth, it's nice. Because when you're reaping, you know, when you're reaping the produce and people enjoying it, you have to say, it's nice. It's a good thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's just to clean them out. So you plant all of this?
These are all my pine suckers that I plant. It's a good investment, you know. And I like it because it just motivates me to do more.
To do more.
So
Okay.
if I get the help, I will.
All right. So who is the one that motivates you, that encourages you, that give you the strength for you to get up and do all of this?
Oh, my encouragement is from people on the road. You see begging and I look into it and say, farming. With me, if we get a job, enough people turn me down, so I just turn to the farming and this motivates me. Because more time I see some people in some crisis and I say, Father, thank you very much because I'm not in that position like those people. But I'm still going on strong and moving around to do a little bit to help myself.
Which is good.
Yeah.
Which is good and very encouraging.
Yeah.
All right. So it's fair to say that you love what you do.
Yeah, I love it. I love it a lot. I do love it a lot. It's very it encouraged me a lot. I like it. I just like see fruits. Because more time when I get up and I can break a pineapple and I can break something to eat. It's very nice.
Okay.
And see people eating from my label. It's very nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
left hand, isn't it?
Yeah.
Andrew is going to teach me how to weed, but I use left hand. So I'm not going to do anything to him with the machete. Alright?
Yeah.
So
The bush or when you need near it. you use your
oh,
hand and
so
weed.
the pineapple is right here.
Yeah.
So just chop the bush.
Yeah.
And machete look dull so.
Machete not dull. You now put the pressure upon it.
Oh, so apply pressure to the machete.
Yeah.
Oh, boy, man, strong, you know. So, oh, so the more pressure you apply,
Yeah.
that's when the weed leave.
Yeah.
Oh, so I don't want anything to happen to the pineapple. So, oh hell, apply pressure, pressure. I'm doing well so far.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So just apply the pressure. Once the pressure is applied. Okay guys, you know I could become a pineapple farmer. So it looks so far. These flowers must come out?
Yeah. Not a bush.
Oh, it's a weed. Oh, okay. With the left hand, not true?
Yeah.
But how is it looking so?
Looking great.
Alright. Oh, what is this? A worm?
Yeah. Get a worm?
Not really.
Yeah, what exactly?
No, the only thing we're afraid of is lizard.
Oh,
But I don't know how to clean out over that side.
okay, you want to show?
Yes. Oh, so you just apply the pressure and
Yeah,
chop at the same time.
yeah. Like me, now me use both hands.
The two hand.
Yeah.
Oh, so I was just using one.
Yeah, probably you can use the two. So, more easier for me.
Really?
Yeah. So easy.
How you feeling now?
Feeling good.
Ah, I feel tired and it wasn't me. Okay, that was very good.
Yeah.
At least I cleaned, guys, I cleaned half of the area. And then Andrew did the other half and it is looking so wonderful. It is looking great.
Yeah.
Alright, so Andrew, I realize that you have a beautiful farm and I see you have a lot of work left to do. What it is that you would like?
Yes, I would like a little help, you know. Yeah, I would like a little help, you know. Yeah, I would like a little help. Yeah, because the help is a bit great, you know. I would like to add a lot of more pines in the land. A lot of more. And even assist to get some suckers, some pine suckers, and yeah, I would like some more pine sucker, a tank that I could catch some rainwater.
A big black tank.
A big black tank to water the pine, and you know, a little ferty to get and make it grow more faster.
We need some fertilizers, a big black tank because we have some water issues in the area, and also we need some more pine suckers, and the fertilizers will help the pine to be a little bit stronger, to be more mature, and to help with the growth. So if you can assist with any of that, you can also let us know. All right. the way down.
All the way down and over.
Okay.
Yeah. If I get some help to do that I would be glad for that.
Okay, so a few more plantain suckers and a few more yam heads.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter the type of yam, yellow yam or Barbie yam,
Yeah.
or any type of yam. That will help this area and help Andrew to plant and extend all the way down to the bottom in the bush right there. It looks sweet, you know. Sweet, man. Really sweet.
I don't eat guinea peanuts enough to carry a leap.
I can share.
Can I eat it?
Where people in my yard, you know. It's sweet, man.
No, give it hard. You have to buy $50 for one little tip.
And teeth, then teethy.
Not just to touch up off
A little tip I give it for $50. Yeah.
The thing what I like, you know, what I like the government, you can set an infrastructure, like the fruit that are wasting, like the guinea. Up here is a mango here right now, like milli mango. Sometimes when you go, it's just like how you see the guinea dropping off of the tree. I saw milli mango drop off of the tree, wasting this district. But I like the government to set an infrastructure that the fruits don't waste like that.
Put them to use to something.
Yeah, just do
Persons
something.
go around and collect them.
Yeah. Sometimes when soursop beer here, man, we same way.
Waste.
Yeah, and a lot of people need it. I love Mr. Andrew Wellness to do something to it. Yeah, trust me, I like Mr. Andrew Wellness to do something to it, because it will be good. It will be good. Fruits don't waste. People out there need it. But I like see the fruits don't waste. Because if you never come here now, I don't think I would eat 6 guinea after this food.
So guys, we don't want the guinea to be wasting. So if you can do something out there, you know, offer the help, come into the community of Simon and see what is in it for you to take and assist with selling or so on. That's it?
Yeah.
No one no more.
You're good?
So we're just going to chip the trash?
Yeah, chip off this.
Chip off the trash of the guinea.
Okay, get them sharp.
How is the community though on a whole?
Peaceful.
Peaceful. It's a peaceful community.
It's a peaceful community. No war, no violence. People dead natural causes.
No violence, nothing.
Peaceful community.
But you know what you can do though? You can get persons to come and buy them from you and sell it.
Plentiful, it's not selling in the market not much.
Oh. In Mandeville, this little. Not even that. This $50.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
And it is wasting in here.
maybe you need to get it at that side. Like if it's nothing Clarendon here, find a way to get it in Mandeville or St. Elizabeth.
Yeah, okay.
Because like areas that don't have it at this time, you take it there. Try and get it there. Big bunch guineas. You want some? Who wants some? Alright, I'm going to take it for you guys.
Alright, so we're here in the beautiful, beautiful parish of Clarendon, up in the hills of Simon. So my experience today was very good. I am so blessed to see all this beautiful scenery, and in the midst of it, I am so fortunate to see someone with that doesn't even have two legs doing so much for his community and doing so much for himself.
Pick what you need, man.
Lime them there? Who wants some too?
I'll pick them for you.
That's why I said you to pick it. So you know what you
I need a bag. Put them in my case.
I know lime is very expensive at your time.
Alright, so I'm in the hills of Simon in Clarendon with Andrew. And I want to thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Lick more.